What's up guys, my name is Olushola David and today I'm on again with another video on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. I know looking at the title of this video you might be like, how is it possible to make 1 million naira per month with affiliate marketing? But if you are very familiar with affiliate marketing, then you would quite understand that this is actually low compared to the full potential of affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is what I do. I made my full income from affiliate marketing, though I have other sideline businesses I do like e-commerce and digital product that I sell, but a large chunk of my income comes with affiliate marketing. So it's okay for me to say I know the in and out of affiliate marketing, and the more reason I'm here today to put out this basic video tutorial on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so before we continue, let me quickly say a little about myself. My name is Olushola David. Once again, I'm a full-time blogger, affiliate marketer, e-commerce expert, info and digital marketing. Basically, I make most of my income online, or basically I make all of my income online. As you can see, I spent most of my day with my laptop and this has been paying off with me. And today I'm here to put this short video tutorial together for you so you can also benefit from it and actually start making something for yourself. Okay, but then let me just quickly shift this in. Now, affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, it's a business you have to nurture, you have to put in a work, you have to work really hard for you to start seeing result, and immediately the results start showing, like immediately you make your first income, the rest is just by the way. The income will just keep pouring and pouring and pouring, okay, like a passive income. Alright, so now I'm going to be logging into my email or to one of my affiliate accounts so you can see for yourself that affiliate marketing really works. And after that, I'm going to proceed to how we can start the business. Okay, so let's get on to it. Okay, now this is my email. As you can see, now these are affiliate commission I've made. You can see the date. This is April 25, 2019. I have them like that. Okay, let me search for another. Okay, this is another affiliate program I'm into. As you can see, commission. Now this, I made 3 per day, I made 4 per day, I made 2 per day, I made 3 at times 2, at times 1, at times more than 4. And this commission are like, I think the lowest is around $10 or $8 per day. Even if you're making like $8 per day in 5 times, multiply that in 30 days, why you still have several affiliate programs that are paying you. Now let me log into some of my dashboard again so you can see. Now this is one of my dashboard. As you can see now, I've been paid $1,600, while my upcoming payment is $450. Now this is what is available to cash out. This is one of my affiliate program. Let me show you another one so you can actually see. Okay, now with this affiliate program, I've been paid $1,136. Okay, let me find another one so you can see. Okay, now these are my affiliate commission. Some have been paid while some are yet to be paid. Now this is just to show you that affiliate marketing works. Okay, it's working, and if I can make money from this, you yourself can actually make money from it. So right now I'm going to be heading on to the actual business, which is how you can start this business yourself. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so like I said, now the actual business is to learn how to start your own affiliate marketing business. Now, so the first step in the process of making money with affiliate marketing is choosing your affiliate program. Okay, choosing your affiliate program. So under this is you choosing your affiliate niche. Now, what I mean by niche is like an area of expertise, like an area that you know you are passionate about, or an area you know you can easily write about, or an area that you know so much about that you can convince other people to buy within that area. So we call it affiliate niche. So once you've discovered this area, the next thing for you to do is to choose your affiliate program. So there are various affiliate programs. They're literally affiliate program for every then business online, so it shouldn't be difficult for you to find yourself an affiliate program. So once you find yourself an affiliate program, what you have to do is, do some findings about this affiliate program, know that they are know more about their reputation, if they are worth promoting, and if they are not, I would suggest you stay away from them. But then if you really want to make money quick with affiliate program, with affiliate marketing rather, now I would advise you go for software or services that we call SaaS. Now this is not in all niche, but for those that will be promoting affiliate marketing around the make money niche, around e-commerce and various online gadget stuff, I'll suggest you go for SaaS. Now, what we mean by SaaS is software as a service. Now, this is a service that you have to pay a monthly fee to keep using their services. Now, a good example of this is ClickFunnels. I'm promoting ClickFunnels and I'm also promoting Shopify. Shopify also is a good example of software as a service. That is, you have to pay, the customer have to pay a monthly fee now to keep using the services. Okay, so once you've created an account with them, the next thing you have to do is to start promoting them. So how can you start promoting them? Start a blog or create a sales funnel. Now, what is a blog? Now, a blog is simple, is a simple website that you can use to create articles. Okay, why a sales funnel is building a one-page website whereby you offer a lead bait. That is, you give them a gift in return for their email address, and once you have their email address, then you start sending emails to them with your affiliate links. So the more you send emails to them and the more they click your affiliate links, now the more commission you make. Why? Using the blog method is whereby you write articles on your blog, include your affiliate links, and if they reach your blog, they click your links, you're going to make a commission on that. Okay, so let me show us a physical example of this and how you can actually make money from it. Okay, so I would head over. Okay, so like I said I'm going to show us a live example of how this is done and how people actually make money from this. Okay, now so this is your browser, and let's use ClickFunnels as an example. So let's say you are promoting ClickFunnels and how you can actually make money with ClickFunnels. So one of the best thing you can do is write review about ClickFunnels. Okay, write reviews about ClickFunnels. Okay, so let's say I'm a reader and I want to learn more about ClickFunnels. So what I do is I search for ClickFunnels reviews. Okay, so as you can see, there are various reviews on ClickFunnels. So let's say I decided to go with this one. Okay, so I click the review I saw, and as an example, now this blog is your blog and I'm the person that is searching for ClickFunnels. Okay, so this is the review. Now this is the review you've written on ClickFunnels. I went through it, I read everything, and I'm okay with your review. So I want to buy the ClickFunnels. What I do is, I click on the link you pasted on your website, like now visit the website, like that is, I want to visit ClickFunnels. So I click on the visit the website. It's going to redirect me to the actual website of ClickFunnels. Okay, so if I want to sign up with ClickFunnels, this is where I'm going to sign up with them. And remember, I clicked on the link from your own website, your own blog. Okay, so let's say I ended up signing up with ClickFunnels. I created an account and I input my credit card, and ClickFunnels charged me. So ClickFunnels is going to give you, the owner of the blog, a commission, and this is how you make money with affiliate marketing. Now, the reason I said you should probably go for SaaS affiliate marketing, that is, software as a service, is because now the more these people subscribe for their service, the more the affiliate marketer that refer them is going to make money. Okay, so let's say I pay for the first month, you're going to get a commission on that. Let's say I decided to pay for another month, you're still going to get a commission for that. And mind you, let's say you refer two people, those two people is there and you are making money on them, and you keep referring more people. So this is how you quickly make money. This is how you quickly make money with affiliate marketing, promoting software as a services. So it doesn't end there. You can write review about anything. Okay, you can write review about anything, and anything can actually be monetized with affiliate marketing. Okay, let's say I want to buy a phone and I want to check review of the phone. Okay, so your blog could be on phone reviews, and you can create an affiliate marketing account around that, to make money with it. Okay, so let me check iPhone X price in Nigeria. Okay, in Nigeria. Okay, let's just make it in Nigeria so you can see affiliate marketing works anywhere. Okay, so the blog that comes up is iPhone X specs, price and review, Niger Tech Guy. Okay, I click on it. So let's see what it's going to say. All right, okay. So iPhone X specs and price. Okay, I think it's loading. Let's just give it a little while. Okay, my network is a bit slow. Pardon my network, please. Okay, so I think it's okay now. Okay, so as you can see, it says where to buy iPhone X. Jumia Nigeria C offer. Now this C offer is an affiliate link. If I click on the C offer, it's going to redirect me to Konga and to Jumia. And Konga C offer, if I click on the C offer, it's going to redirect me to Konga. So if I eventually buy on Jumia website, the owner of this blog is going to earn a commission on the iPhone X I purchase. So this is how affiliate marketing works. You can write reviews about anything. It doesn't even have to end on review. It could be price of the thing you want to buy. It could be on how you could write an article on how they can use the product, on how to maintain it. It could be anything. Just make sure you add your affiliate links in the article, and if they click through to buy, to make a purchase, or to subscribe, or do anything, so far they drop their money, you're going to make a commission. So this is how affiliate marketing works. Okay, so I said to easily promote this, you have to set up a blog or build a sales for them. Now I'm going to add a link in the description of the video for one of the video I made earlier on how to start up a blog, on how to create a blog. I'm going to add the link in the description of the video, and I also have a video tutorial on affiliate marketing. Now this video tutorial contains how I've been able to grow from zero to millions in naira per month here in Nigeria. So everything I did is included in this video, and how I've been able to make money quick with affiliate marketing. So I'll suggest you get the tutorial, get it for yourself, watch over and over again, and you yourself can start making money with affiliate marketing. Now don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back for more video on how and tips with making money online. Okay, so thank you for watching, thank you for your time. I'll see you on the next video.